Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you are fine and good. No, like the latest game available now on the AG Complete the Coast. Okay, guys. So this game like be complete to be Bank Stage 2, Bank Stage 3, Bank complete the 10 Coast millions in Bank Stage 3. So guys, this is the everything so much easily. Not only I request you be end of watching this video and I will be completely guide to you and helping to you. So I hope you will be completely watching my videos, and please request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be helping to you how to complete to be quest millions in bank stage 3. Okay guys, so let's start this video and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, ideal bank taycoon money empire game name, and I will be explaining you all about this game, and I hope you will be enjoy this video and request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, like the many of people sometimes not to be understand no how to complete to be these games. Okay guys, to be upgrading now, collect rewards. This is my reward. This is my reward. This is my ticker price. Claim now. Max, okay. everything fast now. I'm checking on this. Okay. And if you want to be more queens, so X boost to be watching, and then you will be and double queens. Guys, this like the video watching now every time because